9 persons were shot, one fatally, in 2 attacks in the Kingston West Police Division last night. About 9 o'clock, 2 men were shot by men on a motorcycle as they stood at their gate on Lower Ivy Road in Admiral Town. They are in serious but stable condition. Patrons at a party on Hannah Street were later attacked by persons traveling in a Nissan Tida motor car. The police say about 10:45, the car drove up, the occupants exited and opened fire. 7 persons were shot, including 2 women. 1 person later died at hospital. He has been identified as 45-year-old Dalton Daly of Upper West Street. The injured persons are in stable condition in hospital. Last night's incident follows one on Thursday, where 27-year-old Rashawn Davis, otherwise called Gary or Natty, a shopkeeper of John Crown Town, Blunt Street, Kingston, was killed. He was among 5 persons who were shot by 2 men.